So, hello students, how are you all? Hope you are fine with the grace of the Almighty God. So, we have already started and we have finished the explanation of the chapter, that is chapter 5 and of the social studies, and this is class 5 video, and our topic of the chapter is bountiful nature. So we have, as I have told, that I have already finished the explanation of the chapter. So today's I'll be giving you question answers, and I will be also giving this photo and the explanation of the, also I will do of this. So you see this the fill in the blanks you see. So number 1, sun's heat can be used again and again. Okay, that is sun's heat dash was there, it will be heat. Then number 2, dash is used in steel plants, that is coil. Okay, coil is used in steel plants. Number 2, if you see, wind energy is a dash source of energy, this is renewable source of energy. If you see number 4, then number 4 you see in dash there are cars that run on solar energy, not petrol. Okay, that is Japan. Then number 5, increasing population has put a lot of pressure on our resource. Choose the correct option. We get solar energy from sun. So for this reason I have ticked also, I have underlined also. Dash power is an alternate source of energy. Solar, I have ticked also, I have underlined also, solar power. Okay, car run on fossil fuels. Barefoot College is located in Tilonia. Mineral can take dash years to form. Match the following. Okay, so match the following, I will directly explain you from here. You can check that match the following. Rubber, pipe and tires will be. With the help of rubber you can make pipe and tires. You can check here. Then planting trees, if you say, that will be afforestation. Cars will be fossil fuels. 1989 will be Barefoot College. Solar energy will be energy resource. So we have already finished this, so I'll be showing you the explanation of the question answers. Okay, so you can check here. Okay, the question answers you can check here is that what is non-renewable resource? The resources which cannot be immediately replaced. Okay, the resources which cannot be immediately replaced once they are depleted are called non-renewable resource. For example, coal, oil, petrol, natural gas, etc. Are natural resources are important? Then why? It is told yes, natural resources are very important. Okay, so the answer is this there. Then why? The reason is due to the rise in global population and industries demand, the use of natural resource has increased many times. Okay, over. In fact, everything, okay, we use in our daily life is a form of a natural resource. So then number 3 you see, why should natural resource be conserved? If we say natural resources should be conserved in order to maintain ecological balance and save them. Okay, in order to maintain ecological balance and save them for future generations, our upcoming future generation also should use, right? For this reason the natural resources should be conserved. Okay, define the term alternative resource. So alternative energy refers to the energy sources other than fossil fuel such as coal, petroleum and diesel, and includes all renewable and nuclear energy sources. Mention 4 ways in which we can conserve our resources. 4 ways which we can conserve our resources are planting trees or afforestation, using recyclable materials, using more recyclable materials if you use, using CNG to run vehicles, using renewable sources of energy. See students, we have already explained and I have already explained. Now number think and answer where number 1 and 2 is not required, so for this reason I have not given. You may think that sir is not given think and answer. Think and answer is not required, for this reason I have not given. I hope that you will study properly, since you can check once. I will show you once like this, in this way. I hope that you will study properly. Okay, you can check once that whole chapters. Okay, and if you have doubt or something you can ask me anything. Okay, in the live, during live classes you can ask me. Okay, so come in live class so that you can clear your doubts, and if you have doubt or something you can ask me anything if you want. So I hope that I'll be able to clear your doubts during the live classes. For this reason please attend the live classes. Again and again I am saying attendance of the live classes are becoming less. Time is given already, so give your time in the live classes by sitting in your home only. So till then that, take care, thank you, bye bye. I will hope that I will see you in the next in the live class.